How to assemble our universal tablet countertop stand. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the back cover from the tablet case. Place the tablet into the clamps on the back plate. Ensure the clamps are snug against all four sides of the tablet and the tablet is centered. Place the back cover with the tablet installed back into place on the tablet case. Reinstall the bolts and tighten until secure. Rotating desktop stand option. As shown here, place the tablet case over the rotating base and acrylic disc. From the top, place the washers onto the bolt followed by the nut. Adjust the rotational resistance by adjusting the tightness of the nut. After fully tightening, the tablet case will not be able to rotate. Wall installation. For wood surface installation, pilot holes will not be required. Concrete or stone installation. Using a bubble level to ensure a straight installation, hold the tablet case against the wall in the desired location and use a pencil to mark the wall through the 3 bolt holes. Remove the mount from the wall and drill holes in the marked locations using a 1/16 inch drill bit to a depth of 1.4 inches. Insert the concrete anchors into the drilled holes until flush with the wall. Partially install the top 2 screws only, leaving a gap of less than 1/10 of an inch. Do not install the lower screw yet. Hang the tablet case onto the 2 upper screws and slide it down until the screws rest in the smaller end of the keyhole-shaped mounting holes. Install the lower screw and tighten all 3 screws until secure. Route cables through the spaces on the back of the tablet case and hook them into the clip as shown.